Hey everyone, I wanted to give you a quick update. I've decided not to do this on camera because this one picture has a lot of tedious parts to it. I'm having some difficulties. I'm running out of paint because I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can get it right up to the camera. Some of the areas, the paint's not soaking in, and I don't quite know why, but I've had to go back over a lot of it, and because the white shows through after it dries, so it's taking up the paint. Yeah, I have some other acrylics that I'm probably going to go back over this with, just because I want the picture, I want to be able to frame this and hang it. So I'm struggling with this one. I'm going to admit it. There are some places that, even with a magnifying glass, it's hard to make out the numbers. And, I'm not going to say that's true of all their paintings, but because I'm working on a second one as well that I am loving, absolutely loving. See, the same thing's happening with her hair. It's just the white's coming through after it dried last night. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe it's the brushes that came with it. So I'm going to switch to using my own brushes because I really like this, and I'm noticing here right now white's coming through. I'm going to run out of paint. Plain and simple. I'm going to contact them and tell them I'm going to run out of paint on this. So I don't know. Having to go over it again and again. And this one section right here already has 2 coats. This has 2 coats. And I have not put gesso over the numbers. This has 2 coats. I didn't gesso the numbers because I realized it's not included in their instructions. It's not included with their kits. So I wanted to try to stay true to their kits. Now I'm going away from their kit, and I'm going to have to do it my way because I will have to use other paints. I will have to use gesso because 2 coats and numbers coming through. I don't have the paint to do a 3rd coat. So I'm a little unhappy with this one. And you guys know I always be truthful in my reviews. And as much as I love the concept of this and the picture, the paint that came with this kit, I'm not happy with. The paint that came with the second one I'm working on is going great. It's smooth. This one is not smooth to go on, and it doesn't cover well. So I don't know. I don't know if I got a bad batch with this or what happened. But I am going to contact the company and just let them know. We email. So I'm going to let them know that it's just not, it's not working with the paints they sent. I may choose to do her bathing suit a totally different color just to see with my own acrylic paint. Does it work better, or is it something in the canvas? You know what I could do? Since this part here is going to be folded under, I'm going to test some other acrylic paints on it and see how that works. So for the second painting I'm working on, and I don't know why they said it would take a while to get here, but wow, it came fast. This is going to be this. See it? Is it up there? And it's going on smooth, 1 coat. It's completely dry. I do not see any white. Well, I do see a little white shining through down here. But that, that's kind of okay, because it kind of makes it look like the sky shining through. After I finish it, if I have enough of this color, I'll go back and cover it. If not, I may have to blend in some others. The forestry is all coming in good. The land is all coming in good. There's a little shine through right there, but not enough. And on this one, I have gone through extensively and looked, and I can see even these little tiny spaces here. I can see every number on it without my glasses. So I'm thinking there's something wrong with that first one, because it's nothing like this one. But I am absolutely loving this one, and I can't wait to finish it. This one will hang in my kitchen, without a doubt. So I can't wait to finish it. Oh, wait a minute, I'm changing the kitchen to chickens and roosters. I don't know if this one will go in the dining room. It'll go somewhere. Maybe I'll gift it to someone. I don't know. But I am loving this one so far. So I guess you get the good and the bad with everything, and I know from talking to them in emails that they are a good company who will correct what's wrong with this first one. So I'm going to keep working on it. And, you know, guys, for the price, I can't complain. I didn't pay for them. You know, they send me what I asked for. But even if I was paying for them, their prices are so cheap. You know, I can't expect $50 paintings to come in. Their prices are really crazy cheap. So I'm going to try some other smaller ones also, just to see, you know, how it works out. Oh, by the way, can y'all tell those are birds? I didn't even realize those birds, so I went back and looked at somebody else's. I said, well, mine didn't come out like that, and she admitted hers didn't come out like that either. She had to put the little flips on the wings, so I'm probably going to go back and put the little flips on the wings. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and this is an update, and I'll keep you updated as progress goes on. I can't do these online. I can't, because it's just tedious, involved work, and it takes forever to paint one section. This section right here took me 12 hours. So, you know, doing it live or doing it on video, y'all will be so bored. Unless, you know, I had a chat reader then, you know, that can keep you entertained, but I don't have one right now. So, I'll keep you updated, and we'll see where the progress goes. I'll see you soon. Bye.